Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and hope you're having a great start of the week so far. And welcome to your daily XRP update. We'll do a full update. I also wanted to talk about a little bit more positive scenarios with you because as most of you have known, I've been pretty bearish on XRP for the last couple of weeks, not without reason. And so far I have been right. But I mean, it's good to talk about the positive scenarios as well, because at some point of time, XRP is going to be bullish again, all right? That's something that's for sure. At some point of time, it will be bullish again. And yesterday, we actually did reach our support price target, which we have been talking about for the last week or so, between 60 and 58 cents, which technically is a strong support level, but psychologically, it's also a strong support level. So perhaps from there, some things are possible. We will talk about that in this video, all right? But before we dive into XRP specifically, I do want to mention that I have my own premium trading group as well, in which I share my own trades. You gain access to my trading guide and to an exclusive chat room of traders. If that sounds interesting, if you want to become a better trader, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. But for now, let's get into XRP. All right, so let's start off with the bullish potential for XRP, all right? Because like I said, we did hit a significant support level with 60 cents. And apart from that, the volume for XRP is also like shockingly high still. At this point of time, it's around 1.36 billion. If you compare that with last week, as you can see, that's just like, it's not the peak. Like last week, we actually peaked around 1.75 billion, which, I mean, those levels we haven't reached again since then. But the volume was around like 1.5, 1.3, and that is also where we are right now, which is pretty, I mean, usually you don't see that after such a big drop. So that's an indication that we could actually do something. Now, the thing is that at this point of time, we are actually showing some bullish momentum from that 60 cents area. And it seems like we're going to break above the 236 fib at least of this recent move down. But the thing that makes me a little bit skeptical of this move is the sheer amount of resistance in this area. All right, so I'm going to draw it for you beautifully. This area is just filled with resistance. Like you have the 382 fib around 64 cents. And then at 65 cents, you have the 0.5 fib. But in the middle, you also have the 0.618 fib of the entire move up after the SEC news. And you have the 200 EMA. So first of all, it's a major resistance level. So if we look at it in a positive way, if we can break above that, like I would say at least above 65 cents for now, that will probably be a little bit lower in the upcoming few days. But if we break above 65 cents, then we can have a huge rally back up to 70 cents instantly. All right, something like this is possible if we get that bullish breakout, because it's such a strong level, and the stronger the level, the stronger the move after a breakout. But we have to be realistic. I mean, at this point of time, the only way something like this could happen is, first of all, if Bitcoin becomes very, very bullish, which I doubt at this point of time. It still looks pretty weak to me. Or if we get manipulated. So something like this, I would say it's a possibility, but at this point of time, I'd say it's only like a 10-15% chance. I think it's way more likely that, you know, if Bitcoin actually gets a move up towards 29,400, that XRP will follow that up towards 64 and 65 cents, but then that the resistance will be too much. And that will just drop back down, because then we have broken above 63 cents, that we will just drop back down 63 cents, and that will continue back down towards the lower areas of the support level we touched yesterday, between 60 and 58 cents. And that will drop down to that level, and from there we'll see again. Personally, I think that's way more likely. Like I said, I think it's definitely possible to get some sort of bullish momentum, and that's also why I wouldn't necessarily short XRP, because I mean XRP can be very bullish. That's something I think all of you know. But XRP being very bullish doesn't seem like the most likely scenario at this point of time. I'll keep you updated. I'll be the first to tell you when I think we can actually rally. Like that is actually very probable, but for now, this is my take on XRP. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.